Toyota is the brand people trust when it comes to reliability. If you're looking for a car that won't leave you stranded or hit you with unexpected repairs, it's usually the first name that comes up. Honestly, I can probably name 5 Toyota models right now that are known for being some of the most dependable cars on the road. But let's be real, nothing is ever absolute in the auto industry. Over the years, other brands have stepped up, and some have even started to match, or, depending on who you ask, outshine Toyota when it comes to reliability. And today, I'm taking you through the top 5 car brands that have matched or even surpassed Toyota's legendary reputation for dependability. Whether they're close competitors, on equal footing, or even better in some ways, these brands deserve your attention. Trust me, you're about to see some names that could change the way you think about what makes a car truly dependable. Without further ado, let's start with car brand number 5, Lexus. You might be thinking, isn't Lexus just Toyota's luxury brand? And you'd be right, but it absolutely deserves its own spot on this list. While Lexus benefits from Toyota's solid engineering, it takes reliability to a whole new level with its premium materials, meticulous attention to detail, and focus on refinement. In fact, according to the J.D. Power 2023 Vehicle Dependability Study, Lexus ranked even higher than Toyota for overall reliability. That says a lot, considering Toyota's legendary reputation. Take the Lexus RX, for example. It's a mid-size SUV that shares some similarities with the Toyota Highlander, but here's the difference. The RX has far fewer reported issues with powertrain and electronics. Then there's the Lexus ES sedan, which is built on the same platform as the Toyota Camry. Despite this, the ES consistently scores higher in build quality and dependability, all thanks to the extra craftsmanship Lexus puts into its cars. Lexus isn't just about reliability. It's about creating vehicles that last while delivering a premium experience. Sure, they cost more upfront, but that higher price brings long-term durability, fewer repairs, and peace of mind. With Lexus, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in something built to stand the test of time, all while feeling like it was designed with precision and care. Lexus has proven that reliability can be luxurious, but what if I told you there's one more brand that's taken dependability to another level with industry-leading warranties and cutting-edge technology? Subaru, a brand that has built its reputation on ruggedness and dependability. If you've ever driven one of their SUVs, like the Crosstrek or Forester, you know these vehicles are designed to handle tough conditions. They're not just your average SUVs, they're built to last and thrive in environments where other cars might struggle. One of Subaru's standout features is its symmetrical all-wheel drive system. It's more robust than many of the all-wheel drive systems you'll find in Toyota vehicles, giving Subaru a clear advantage in terms of capability and durability. Cars like the Forester and Outback are proof of this, as they're known for their ability to conquer rugged terrains with ease. According to Consumer Reports, Subaru's powertrains and all-wheel drive systems also experience fewer long-term mechanical issues compared to other brands. And while Subaru cars might look a bit more complex at first glance, their designs are actually straightforward, focusing on simplicity and practicality. This approach helps keep maintenance manageable and reliability high. Take the Subaru Impreza, for example. When compared to the Toyota Corolla, the Impreza consistently scores higher in terms of engine and transmission reliability. On top of that, Subaru vehicles tend to have fewer safety recalls, which is another important factor when considering dependability. But Subaru's not the only brand challenging Toyota's dominance. Next up is a brand that's quietly climbing the ranks with simplified engineering and a focus on quality. Mazda. Gone are the days when Mazda was only known for its fun, nimble cars. Over the years, Mazda has completely transformed its reputation, becoming a major contender in reliability alongside some of the industry's biggest names. Their success can largely be credited to simplified engineering and strict quality control, which have helped their vehicles avoid the unnecessary complications that often lead to mechanical issues. In fact, Consumer Reports named Mazda one of the top 3 most reliable car brands in 2021, alongside Toyota and Lexus. That's an impressive feat, showing just how far the company has come in recent years. Take the Mazda CX-5, for example. It's often compared to the Toyota RAV4, which is already a reliability icon. Yet, the CX-5 has managed to gain popularity, especially in the US, for its fun-to-drive feel, solid performance, and reliability that matches up well with the RAV4. Similarly, the Mazda 3 and Toyota Corolla are both known for dependability, but the Mazda 3's straightforward design gives it an edge in terms of simplicity and ease of maintenance. Mazda hasn't stopped there. They've been focusing on reducing the weight of their vehicles and improving fuel efficiency, all while maintaining the durability and build quality their customers expect. It's a delicate balance, but Mazda has proven they can innovate without compromising reliability. Mazda might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of reliable cars, but they've worked hard to earn their spot in the conversation. Their dedication to thoughtful engineering and quality craftsmanship makes them a brand worth considering. Mazda has come a long way, but it's not the only brand giving Toyota a run for its money. There's another contender that's been a household name in reliability for decades: Hyundai. When talking about reliability, Hyundai might not have been the first name people thought of a decade ago, but today it's a completely different story. Hyundai has worked tirelessly to shake off its old reputation and emerge as a serious competitor in the reliability game. Their cars now combine dependable engineering with modern design and affordability, making them an excellent alternative to Toyota in many cases. Hyundai's secret lies in its approach to technology and manufacturing. They've focused on building simpler, more efficient powertrains while maintaining rigorous quality control. A perfect example of this is their Smart Stream engine technology, which improves fuel efficiency and reduces wear over time. This innovation has helped Hyundai vehicles consistently score well in long-term dependability studies, sometimes even outranking Toyota in specific segments. Consider the Hyundai Tucson, which goes head-to-head with the Toyota RAV4. The Tucson has gained a lot of praise for its reliability, comfortable ride, and advanced tech features. On the sedan side, the Hyundai Elantra has proven to be a strong rival to the Toyota Corolla. It offers comparable reliability while often coming with more features at a similar price point. Another area where Hyundai shines is its industry-leading warranty coverage. With a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, Hyundai gives drivers added peace of mind that few other brands, including Toyota, can match. This kind of support goes a long way in proving the brand's confidence in its vehicles. Hyundai's rise to prominence in the reliability world wasn't by accident. It's the result of careful planning, smart engineering, and a commitment to delivering quality at a reasonable price. For anyone considering a car that's as dependable as it is modern, Hyundai deserves a spot on your list. Hyundai's rise to reliability is impressive, but this list wouldn't be complete without circling back to one of the most trusted names in the industry: Honda. Honda is often considered Toyota's equal when it comes to reliability, and for good reason. Both brands share a reputation for engineering cars that are efficient, long-lasting, and easy to maintain. But Honda has a few tricks up its sleeve that make it stand out. One of Honda's most impressive innovations is its VTEC technology, which optimizes engine performance at both high and low RPMs. This system not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also ensures their engines remain durable and reliable over time. It's a perfect example of how Honda focuses on blending practicality with performance, giving drivers the best of both worlds. Take the Honda Civic, for instance. It's one of the most reliable compact cars out there, and when compared to the Toyota Corolla, the Civic often edges ahead in terms of engine strength and transmission durability. Then there's the Honda CR-V, a direct competitor to the Toyota RAV4. The CR-V has consistently earned high marks for its efficient powertrain and fewer long-term issues, particularly in older models, which speaks volumes about its dependability. What sets Honda apart is its commitment to practical design. Their cars are engineered to be straightforward and functional, without unnecessary complexity that could lead to maintenance headaches. It's a brand that prioritizes usability and reliability without sacrificing the driving experience. Honda has proven time and time again that it can go toe-to-toe with Toyota in the reliability department. Whether you're looking for a sedan, an SUV, or something in between, Honda's lineup is a testament to how well-built and dependable cars can also be exciting to drive. Each of these brands proves that reliability isn't exclusive to Toyota. Subaru's rugged durability, Mazda's engineering simplicity, Honda's practical design, Lexus's refined dependability, and Hyundai's innovative rise all show that there's more than one way to build a car that stands the test of time. Choosing the right car comes down to what fits your needs while giving you peace of mind for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more car content. Until next time, drive safe and take care.